Hello guys and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. Guys, I want us to talk about Umayeni. I think it's quite evident enough that Umayeni has been going through the most ever since the Mpumelelo saga and our Vuyo. And also guys, due to the mere fact that Umayeni has been staying with Mhlopekazi. Literally Umayeni raised Mhlopekazi up to where she is now, and now the fact that Mhlopekazi allegedly has been taken away from Umayeni, I think it's quite not that I think, but obviously guys, it's probably she is feeling some type of way, she's feeling some void because probably she was now used to her. She was treating her like her own child, because she is her grandchild, by the way. So as I was scrolling on Instagram, I saw that she posted this on her Instagram stories. She says the West pain is being, okay, I'm not going to say it verbatim, but I'm going to put it here on so that you can see it. She's saying that the West pain is getting hurt by someone whom you have explained your pain to. And also she goes on to say tears are also prayers. God understands, God sees it all. I know someone might just say that, oh, they're just posts. But guys, honestly, we don't just post posts usually, especially posts like this, saying tears are prayers, God understands, and saying the West pain is being hurt by someone whom you explained your pain to. We don't really just post such posts, but sometimes the reason why we post such posts might be because we are relating to them. Like if you're relating to a post, you probably post it, So I am just hoping that she will be fine. I just hope she goes back to therapy if she had stopped, because she's one person who really needs therapy. By the mere fact that guys, she really needs therapy, because right now some people are also blaming her for her behavior, and some people are bashing Mpumelelo on social media, and also that is affecting her, because she has said on another post, yes, Mpumelelo is this and that, Mpumelelo is a bad guy and all that, but he is still her child, and even if a beta enjalo nje. So all those things, probably they are stressing her out, guys. So I'm hoping that she is going for therapy and trying to get better, and I hope I'm just hoping people could be a little bit more kind on the comment section, especially on her page, because some people went and attacked her on her page. That's way out of line, guys. I feel like you could maybe talk about her on Vuyokazi's fan page or under a certain blogger's page, but on her page, no, that's out of line. To go and insult someone on her page is out of line, because she is definitely going to see it. If she's watching, if she's reading comments, she's definitely going to see your comment. But under other people's blogs, or she most probably won't see it. But on her page, I feel like you would delela, guys, abantu bayadelela phandle lapha, hayi. Anyways, guys, let's practice to be kind, because people are going through the most. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Otherwise, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.